to do pretty much any maintenance work on your quarter midget, you would need to take out some of the panels. And these panels are held together by Dzus fasteners. Yep, so those ones and these ones. Those are regular fasteners, and these are winged Dzus fasteners. To open these, you just grab on and turn this counterclockwise about quarter turn. And they come right off. To open the regular fasteners, you need a flathead screwdriver, and again, just turn counterclockwise or a quarter turn. Now the Dzus fastener goes into the Dzus spring. So the spring goes into the notch, and as we turn, locks into place. This is a close-up of what a Dzus fastener looks like. So as you can see, there's a small groove, the notch at the end. Here are the four kind of Dzus fasteners that I have. You have the regular oval head one, the winged ones, and then you have two different sizes. These are 7/16 and these are 5/16. So that's basically the diameter of this part. For my car, I pretty much only use the 7/16. It's always good to have a bunch of spares about these because these are easy to misplace, and so I always carry spares here with me.